Hello friends, today we will learn how to fix this error, default boot device missing or boot failed. So you might be inserting your CD or pen drive, bootable pen drive. So you get this error. There are the no bootable options showing here. So basically why it is happened due to cause while you formatting your computer you have done something wrong. So there is no issue, so we can fix this issue. I will show you how to fix this issue. So friends, this error caused due to the change in boot options. It happens while you format. So firstly you have to turn off your computer or laptop and then turn on and then press F1 simultaneously with escape or F1. So you have to get your boot screen. Okay, so there are the many options. You have to press F12 or escape option including FN. So here you have to go at bootable option and then press enter. You have to change the boot mode order to, basically it has UEFI mode. You have to select legacy support and then press enter and then go to exit and save changes, say yes, and then exit saving changes. And now you can see your computer has been fixed. You can now format and you can get back your computer. So friends, as you can see here, so this is the best solution you can find on the internet. So friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have found this video helpful, please share this video to your friends. Thank you.